Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Elliot Lake, a northern Ontario town surrounded by lakes, forests, and rugged hills. Founded in the mid-1950s, it was once known as the uranium capital of the world due to its large mining industry. During its boom years, people from across Canada and beyond came here for work and opportunity. When the mines closed in the 1990s, the community reinvented itself as a hub for retirees, outdoor recreation, and tourism. Today, Elliot Lake is popular for fishing, hiking, boating, and snowmobiling. The town is surrounded by dozens of lakes and a vast network of trails. The scenery changes with every season, offering something special year-round. Whether you're here for adventure or relaxation, Elliot Lake offers a peaceful escape in the heart of nature. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Elliot Lake, Ontario. Thanks for watching.